All right, let's see if this it ain't gonna be good because y'all trashed me on the last one, man. Y'all, all my comments, y'all dislike the hell out that video. Okay, the visuals though. Why is this like something like an opening or something? Walking on a head on blood? Okay, I'm vibing with this hoe. Hey, no BS though. These visuals are on point. Who directed this one? Jesus. This look like a straight up opening. You sure this is an ending? Oh, nah, that's sexy as hell. Bro, what is that unicorn or horse made out of? Like, what is this kaleidoscope type shit am I looking at? Hey, low-key, this is definitely top 3 already. 4 still at the bottom though. Oh yeah, I gotta listen to this whole again. Honestly, this baby my second favorite opening. Like, it beats the first one, but the third one, it still holds a special place in my heart. I don't know why it's just so good. But visuals though, ooh, it may be a tie between this one and Ended 3.